This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Move-in ready ranch with fresh paint and new flooring throughout, updated kitchen with new cabinets, quartz counters, and stainless steel appliances, new roof, and new heat/air, nice floor plan with living room, dining room, mud room, primary bedroom with private bath, third bedroom could also be used as family room. Private backyard, established neighborhood convenient to downtown, interstate, and bases. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.